Cost optimization is no longer just about reducing expenses. It's about intelligently aligning spend with business priorities. And AI makes this possible at a level of sophistication that humans simply cannot match. Modern organizations generate vast amounts of cost related data across procurement, operations, IT, finance, supply chain, and HR. AI brings these data sources together and identifies patterns, inefficiencies, and waste that would otherwise remain invisible. Machine learning can detect early warning signs of cost overruns, allowing leaders to intervene proactively rather than reacting after the damage is done. AI driven analysis helps finance leaders understand which costs are strategic, which are inefficient, and which can be optimized without impacting performance. The result is smarter, more targeted cost decisions that strengthen operational resilience and improve profitability without indiscriminate cuts. Spend analytics is one of the fastest areas to deliver ROI using AI. Machine learning analyzes millions of procurement records, spanning suppliers, SKUs, invoices, and department level purchases, to reveal patterns that traditional dashboards miss. AI can cluster spending behaviors, identify duplicate or unnecessary purchases, and highlight opportunities to consolidate vendors for better pricing power. It also helps uncover off contract buying or non compliant procurement activity that inflates costs. In many organizations, 10 to 20% of spend inefficiencies go unnoticed simply because humans can't manually analyze the full volume of data. With AI, these insights become visible instantly. For procurement and finance teams, this means stronger negotiation leverage with suppliers, smarter sourcing strategies, and more disciplined spend behavior across the organization. The result is measurable cost savings supported by data, not assumptions. Operational costs, such as production expenses, logistics, and maintenance, often fluctuate unpredictably. AI brings order to this complexity by predicting cost drivers before they escalate. Machine learning models analyze historical operations data, equipment performance, throughput, demand shifts, and seasonality to identify patterns and warn leaders of rising costs. For example, AI can predict machine failures or maintenance needs, significantly reducing downtime costs through preventive action. It can also detect inefficiencies in supply chain operations or warehouse processes that are driving unnecessary expenses. Predictive analytics allows leaders to simulate how changes in volume, demand, or capacity will affect operational costs, helping them allocate resources with far greater precision. This ensures that operations are not only leaner, but also more prepared for cost volatility. The end result is a highly optimized operational model that runs more efficiently and cost effectively. Workforce planning is traditionally one of the hardest areas to optimize because it depends on constantly changing business conditions. AI models bring clarity and predictability to this challenge. By analyzing historical labor patterns, productivity levels, sales cycles, customer demand, and operational requirements, AI can determine the optimal staffing levels for each function, shift, and location. This helps organizations avoid overstaffing, understaffing, and costly overtime spikes. AI also identifies teams or functions that are consistently underutilized or overburdened, allowing leaders to rebalance workloads or reassign talent strategically. For HR and finance teams, this creates a more efficient workforce while reducing labor cost volatility. Instead of planning headcount on instinct or outdated data, leaders can make evidence based decisions that support both cost efficiency and employee well being. One of the most valuable contributions of AI is its ability to help organizations reduce costs without compromising strategic growth. Traditional cost cutting often results in across the board reductions that unintentionally damage innovation, customer experience, and long term competitiveness. AI avoids this problem by clearly distinguishing between costs that drive value and those that are simply wasteful. Machine learning evaluates the financial and operational impact of different cost actions, helping leaders understand which reductions strengthen resilience and which may create hidden risks. AI powered scenario modeling also allows executives to predict the downstream effects of cost decisions on revenue, productivity, service levels, and employee engagement. This enables a more responsible, surgical approach to cost optimization. Instead of cutting blindly, leaders can create a sustainable, intelligence driven cost structure that supports both stability and growth.